Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing 3 recipes, one vegetarian, one non-vegetarian and perfect paratha recipe with all tips and tricks to end up making nice, soft and fluffy paratha. At the end, I will take you to Costco and share my personal experience and tips to shop in Costco as well. Quickly now let's get started making dough for paratha. I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour and 2 cups of maida, to that salt and sugar, and now I am adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt and 3 tablespoons of oil. For mixing the dough I am using steaming hot water. Whenever you use maida, remember all purpose flour, you use nice hot water to make the dough. That is a first tip for making this soft paratha. For wheat flour, you don't need to take hot water, but for maida or the all-purpose flour, sure add steaming hot water and be careful, if required, use wooden spatula. Leave the dough to rest for at least 10-20 minutes. Now let's prepare chicken. For chicken, I have taken coconut oil. To that I will be adding this chicken. This chicken I marinated last night itself. In that very simple ingredients only, I have added ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt to taste, garam masala and nicely crushed curry leaves I have added. To that I added chili flakes also. Curry leaves you can also add fresh ones. I have not added any water, you can see. Nicely spread out in the pot and cover it and cook. It will release its own liquid and get cooked. Now for making vegetarian dish, I have taken 1 cup of moong dal and to that just handful of chana dal, 1 large onion, 1 large tomato, 1 full cup of fresh French beans and 1 full cup of boiled chickpeas or chana. To that crushed chilies and turmeric powder, saunf or fennel seeds and little bit of salt also I have added. Add more water. My cooker is small, it will spill, so I have added little water only. Cook it for 2 steams. Now in a blender I have taken half cup of yogurt. To that yogurt I will be adding this fried onions. Whenever I fry onions for one dish, I fry it for at least 2 to 3 dishes and save it in freezer. I am running out of cashews, so I am adding melon seeds. You can always be free to use cashews, and these are poppy seeds. That is khush and 1 spoon of coconut powder. You can always add fresh coconut also. Nicely grind it into fine paste. Now you can see the chicken has released its own liquid and almost it is 50% cooked. At that point I am using this fine paste in it. Nicely give it a good mix and add more water also, because as you add cashews, melon seeds and all, it will tend to thicken up. I need more spices, so I am adding chili powder, pepper powder and garam masala. Also check the salt. Nicely give it a good mix and cover it and cook for 10 minutes until the oil separates. See, after 10 minutes it is this way. I don't have coriander at home. Always add generous amount of coriander, that will give extra flavor. Now let's move to our vegetarian dish. This is South Indian type of cooking only. I have done this vegetarian. In this you can add garlic also while cooking. That will give nice flavor. Today I didn't had it and I didn't mix it. I have taken 1 full large cup of hot water and diluted it to the consistency I want. I am preparing a hearty tempering fully in ghee. Just zeera, urad dal, curry leaves and asafoetida, that is hing. Mix it in this curry, that is veg beans and chana masala. It is very different taste. Both are different. Little bit stronger side is the chicken and lighter note is the vegetarian dish. A perfect combination for paratha. Today I am going to make medium size parathas only. You can choose to make either large, small or medium. Nicely divide the dough in this way and let's get started. Tips for making perfect paratha is nicely knead the dough. After kneading, use lot of flour to roll it. When you roll, the full paratha should be nice and thin. It should look transparent. You can see through the flour. That thin you should roll it. First step. At this point, nice thin filament like you should roll as much as possible. Then add the oil. After adding oil, desired shape you can fold. There are different ways. Today I will be preparing square parathas only. All the parathas square. This is the most softest paratha I would say if you prepare in square. See the way I have folded. That's how you have to fold it. Different ways, even round paratha also I make. I have showed it in other videos also, but today square. When you are rolling it at this point of time, do not spread it too big. It should be small and little bit thick. Then only the parathas will be soft. The more you rolled and make it a flat, thin one, the parathas are going to be hard. I am frying it in cast iron. You can see it is nice and hot. Always add paratha to the nice hot tawa only. Then I will be adding oil. You will see in some time if you add oil, then it will puff up double in size again. This is the key. The paratha should puff up like this. If it puffs up like this, definitely it's going to be very soft. This layer of puffiness comes with the nice generous amount of oil while folding the paratha. You saw, right? That is the key for it. Whenever you see that the parathas are nicely puffing, that means you have end up making perfect parathas. Nice crisp from outside and super soft from inside. Do not skip this part. After frying some 2 to 3 parathas, definitely pat it from all sides like this. That will make much more softer. If you leave it like that itself, right, that top layer will become hard. Layer the hot pack with the tissues on both the sides, in the bottom and top. That will just avoid from the dampness in the parathas. Otherwise they will become very soggy. Now our menu is fully ready. Nice hot and soft parathas with nice chicken masala and very tasty and light chana and beans curry also ready. I am sure you all will like this recipe and definitely give it a try. Come on, now let's go to Costco. Costco is the one spot where you can get nice bulk wholesale products at a very reasonable price, and these prices are unbeatable. Anywhere out you won't get. Straight I'll go to the festive season section today, that is special for now. All holiday season you can see planters, these kind of mixing bowls with the spatula or serving bowls, everything filled with chocolates. These all are gift items which you can gift during the holidays. Even Middle Eastern baklava, or these all are hot chocolates. According to season you will find gifts. This is the time you can make purchase of all these kinds of chocolates for gifting during the parties. Not necessary it should be either Christmas or New Year party. It can be any parties you attend, you can give these gifts. And all the Christmas New Year decoration also at this time. Even here I buy cereal lights for Ramadan also. I buy and keep now itself. Whenever you go to Costco, see what is on sale. This time only these two candy chocolates were in sale, so I bought them. Every week you go, you will have some sale in some or the other chocolate. At that time you take, you will have instant off for $10, $5 like that. In Costco, I also buy halal chicken. You will get nice this kind of bulk chicken, that is thighs separate, breast pieces separate, and full chicken. I buy chicken from here in Costco. Definitely check for halal mark on it. There are non-halal products also, but we buy only halal. Here even fresh fish will be very nice. I bought salmon fish from the fresh fish aisle, and butter. Instantly you save $2 on each butter pack. In local market you get it for $7, and but here you will get it for 49 something it was approximately. Yeah, and this one I'm just showing you. If you are very good at baking, this is the product you have to buy. The margarine, the plant-based one, very nice. I always buy that only for baking products. In juice section, my personal preferences are pineapple, mango, and this guava juice. Guava juice is the star of the juice. That is the most preferred one. You will get lot of samples there. That's how I was just having a twinning tea, very tasty peach flavor. Whenever you enter Costco, first department will be technology and the next will be the clothing, which I'm showing you right now is clothing section, very big. Do not stop there in between if you are a wise shopper. Go straight to the end, which is the produce area, for which we usually come for buying our all day-to-day needs. That is one full tip for shopping at Costco first. Oil, I buy this oil only. All the cooking I do is with this olive oil, cooking olive oil, and this is extra virgin cooking oil, extra virgin olive oil, which I use for salads, or dips and all we make, right? For that, coconut oil also I buy from Costco only. All this already I have at home. What I don't have only I'll buy today. I am running out of ghee. See, this time I am seeing new brand has come. Otherwise, usually Nanak ghee only will be here. This time some different Shakti brand it is here. No problem. Ghee is ghee. I'll try this now how it is. For deep fry and all, I buy canola oil and keep standby, because for deep frying and all, this olive oil will be very expensive. And I'll show you some more things which I buy from Costco. This is Thai sweet and hot sauce, very tasty. In different recipes I use, even for sandwiches also I use. This is also the one I buy always from Costco, Miracle Whip, which you can use in salads and as well as for wraps and even sandwiches. All these spices I buy from here, most of the spices like chili flakes, pepper, cinnamon powder, very good price and very good quality and nice packing too. For all the spices also, the quality and the price is very reasonable in Costco only. Now I have come to the frozen aisle to buy shrimp. These are cooked shrimp. This brand only I have taken. Very nice. Now let's go to the pharmacy section. If you go, you will see cosmetics also. Very cost effective over here. Very good see offer. $10 off on these moisturizers and all. Most of the time I do not buy things which doesn't have offer. Whenever you buy with offer, you will instantly save $5, $10 on each product, and you will have a huge savings on every bill. Each and every product will have offer every 3 months or 2 months one, and you can buy them at that time. I buy many other items from Costco which are unbeatable price in comparison to the other local markets. Likewise, these fries, pizza, and even party cakes, birthday cakes. Oh my god, the price you will never get anywhere out. So definitely you must check Costco for all that. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.